Yes, so after the hurricane, I had so much damage to my house. I was so frustrated, I can't begin to tell you. I had ceilings were wet. My floors in different rooms, in different sections, had puddles of water. I couldn't think where the water was coming from. I was cleaning water. I couldn't figure out where this water was coming from. Each day I got so frustrated. Anyway, so one day I went to my mailbox and found these postcards, and one of them drew my attention. So I picked it out of the batch and I threw it down, and when the following day I decided to give them a call. So I gave them a call and spoke to a gentleman, Mr. Nissan, and we had a conversation. I told him what was going on with me, and he told me what he could do. So we made an appointment and he came over to my house. When he came, we talked about stuff and discussed it. And he made me an offer. I am telling you, I was so thrilled with my offer. And I told him I would think about it and get back to him. Well, I thought about it so fast because I was so frustrated. And then I called him the following day again, and we started doing all the proceedings, the paperwork, everything was done. He did all the work. All I had to do was to sign. It went through so quickly, and I got rid of all that frustration and all that problem. I had a lot of money in my hand, and now I can feel free to go and do something different, buy something different, move somewhere different, which would be so very nice. I'm so grateful to this gentleman. If I would recommend him to anyone who's having a problem. Give him a call. If you don't have his number, call me. I'll get it for you. I'll give it to you. They are great. Give him a call.